Now, in this video, we will be going through formatted input or output statement. In earlier videos, we have gone through the different type of unformatted input and output statement. Now, in this video, we will be going through the formatted input or output statement. First, we will be looking at the formatted input statement, that is the read statement. So, formatted read statement syntax is as follows: read. As you know, in the earlier video, we have seen what is the syntax of the unformatted. Earlier it was read star comma star, now it is read star comma n. So we are going to mention here how. This is the how part. This is the where part is not mentioned. How part is mentioned. This is the what part. So read star comma n v1 v2 v3. v1 v2 v3 are the input variable, and then n is the statement number of the format statement. Now this is to be used with this read statement. Statement number, as you know, this statement number is to be written in the column number 1 to 5. So we can demonstrate the use of formatted read statement. Suppose you are written here read star comma 100, then you want to read x, k and z. So you are written here 100 in this as a statement number, and there will be the format statement. So we will be looking at the format statement very soon. But this is how this the format statement is to be written here. F10.2, I5 and F8.1, this is all for X, K and Z. So the input data may be typed as follows: value of X in first 10 column, followed by value of K in the next 5 column, and then value of Z in the next 8 column. Because you are given here 10, 5 and 8, they are the spacing allotted for this X, K and Z. And if you want to have the real values, in that case you have to put it in the decimal point. This is the real format, while this is the I is the integer format. Similarly, we can go ahead with the formatted write statement. The same way we have gone through the unformatted write statement, it is the same way. The only difference is here how part. We are going to mention here how part. So basically, whenever we want to display two things, how to display and what to display, in that case we can just go ahead with this formatted write statement. Here star comma n is there, exp1 exp2 exp3. Here exp1 exp2 exp3, they are the expressions. N is the statement number of the format statement to be used with this write statement. So if you just look at the example here, write star comma 25, it is the statement number where we have to write format statement. Now what is to be read here, what is to write? A, B and C all three have the decimal values, so it is the 3 repetition factor, and this is 10. Spaces are allotted for each A, B, C. Similarly, write star comma 25, you want to have the different values in that. You want to display the different values. In that case, for A it is the decimal, B it is exponential, and for C it is again decimal. But we'll have 10 as 10 spacing, again exponential 10 spacing, and 8 10 spacing for the C. We can just look at the program here. First of all, this is the program. Name of the program is demo. This is the data type, real data type I have already declared. A, B, C, all three are the real data type. So this is how it is to be declared. This is the initialization process of A, B and C, and then D equals to A plus B plus C. This is the arithmetic expression I have written here. Now I have used here write star comma 10. This is the formatted write statement. 10 is the statement number. Here I have written a single quote, the value of D is, and then comma, whatever the value it is added, this would be displayed here. So 10 is the statement number, then format A20, it is for this one because this is the character, so character spacing is 20 maximum. For D it is the real, and that's the reason we have written here 10.5. So stop and end. Let us compile it first. So after process of compiling, we got here lines. There are 11 lines, hits and errors of 0. So everything is okay. Now we'll go to the run command. So he has directly given the value of D is this. What is the reason behind it? Because we have written here the value of D is, this is going to be displayed the same way, and then it is going to add. So after adding the A plus B plus C, you got here 61.1. Now since you already have 10.5, so you got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits here after decimal. So this is how the formatted write statement is to be written. So if you just look at the formatted print statement, it will be have the same way just like the formatted write statement, but here we directly write here print and it is the statement number exp1, exp2, exp3, they are the expressions. So if you just look at here the example print 25, it is the statement number abc, you have to give a comma, there's a syntax, format 3f10.2 for all abc, we have to give the decimal format, so 10 spaces are allotted for both for all three variables. And then the next one print 75 comma a comma b comma c. So this is how the formatted print statement is to be utilized here.